Alright, eBay, this is the fan on the auction. It's a GE fan. It's from the early 1900s. So it's fully restored. I'm doing this video to show you how it runs and how quiet it is and the speeds. So you have 3 speeds here. You got high, medium, and low. One thing I want to point out, there's 2 tubes here. One in the front and one in the back, right here. That has to be filled with oil, so it could run quietly. And I put it just enough for it to run smooth, but on a regular basic view, it has to be filled because it just keeps everything lubricated. I didn't do it because of the shipping. Once I ship it, you know, these companies will turn the boxes around, flip it around. I don't want the oil to be spilling all over the place. So let's start by the first setting is high. So as you can see, it's a strong, steady spin. The blades are nice and even. They balanced. Medium. And low. All 3 speeds work perfectly. Everything is clean. Everything is polished. Everything is painted. Everything is done. Back to medium. High. And off. So everything spins correctly. The wires were changed. Everything in the casing, the rotors are clean. Everything was. There's no grease. There's nothing in these cavities. Everything was restored perfectly. So this is what's going to be on an auction. Bid confidently. This fan is in perfect condition. Thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have tons of other stuff coming up on eBay that I will be putting videos on. Give me a likes and comment below. Thank you. Bye-bye.